Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with DeepL if pro features are not available. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepL application if you have not already. So if you do not already have it downloaded, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on your mobile phone. Open up the App Store, search for the DeepL, find application and install it. So after installing and opening it up, this is going to be the home page you're greeted by. From this main page, we can get started with making our translations. We have the settings option right here in the upper left corner, from where we can get started with using all the features we need, and we can get started choosing our plan to upgrade to the pro plan. So this is going to enable us to use pro features. So let's go and take a look at what to do if your pro features are not appearing. So first, ensure you're logged in and that your subscription is active. So make sure you're logged into the account where your subscription is active. As you can see here, you can see if you're using the individual plan or whatever plan you're using is going to go ahead and show up right here. So basically, if you have tried this and it still isn't working, even though it is showing you that you have a pro plan active, you're going to go back and open up the help center option right here. By opening up the help center, you can get in touch with them, explain what the problem is, and they're going to walk you through step by step on how to fix it and what is the problem with your account and why you're not seeing your pro features. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.